Cadet Hendrik. I'm curious to hear what it takes to convince an Onyx Guard cadet to steal one of the COG's most powerful weapons.
I was against it, sir.
That's right. Run to Daddy.
Maybe you could show me and the army you volunteered for a little respect.
I tried that, and look what it got me.
Cadet?
Colonel, I'm an Academy cadet. I had to see if my friends were all right. A sewer line led from the museum to the Academy, so we took it.
Did you encounter any locusts in the sewers, Cadet?
None, Colonel. They were all busy, topside. The Academy had been destroyed by Karn. But the beacon in Professor Elliot's lab would allow us to guide that missile right to that monster. All we had to do was go and get it.
Your COG have no idea how many spies the UIR sent into this academy. Too bad they all defected.
Long shots were the one thing we needed on that bridge. They were the one thing we didn't have. Enemy spotted!
Let's go! Look out! On the side! Reaver incoming! Taking fire! Eyes on target! No prisoners today! Come get me! Cause some panic over Enfield! Time to go inside, right?